in 2021 in India, if you really think so that if you should start podcasting or not, if you're planning to start a podcast, or maybe if you have got questions like, should I start a podcast? Is it the right time? Or you have questions like, if I start a podcast and it will become a part of the whole podcast content clutter out there, and is it going to be worth it? I mean, I'm telling you guys, it is going to be worth it. You need to start the podcast in 2021 in India. And all these questions is what I'm going to answer in this video. So, hi guys, let me introduce you guys to me once again. I'm Sarthak and I'm the founder of SUV Clicks and the Balls of Steel Show, which is also the name for our podcast, The Balls of Steel Show, where we interview entrepreneurs irrespective of the stature and we bring out their unheard stories, stories which are deep inside them, in their souls, in their heart, which they normally don't talk about, and we bring them out in our podcast. Okay. So do check out the podcast. It's streaming on all the major audio streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple, Google, you name them, and we're there. Right? I hope you get it. Okay, so let's talk about the topic. Right. In today's video, I will be talking about podcasting in India in 2021. I want you guys to stay till the end with me because I have got something really special for you guys. Something that I have learned from my experience of podcasting for the past 1 year, and something that I want to tell you. So stick around till the end, and that is going to be like a bonus tip that I'm going to give you at the end of this video. So let's just dive into it and talk about all such questions, that why should you start a podcast in India in 2021? So since the past 1 decade, India has seen a rise in podcasting, and it has gradually grown up a lot. And 2020, I should say, it's kind of the year for podcasting in India because Spotify owned Anchor itself added 25,000 and even more podcasts in India in 2020. So you can imagine where we're heading with podcasts. That is primary. I mean, this should be a good enough reason for you guys to start podcasts. Do you really think I need to go ahead the video? I mean, obviously I need to. Okay, let's go on. So the first reason being, India is the third largest nation in terms of podcast consumption. Yes, you heard me right. India is the third largest nation after US and China in podcast consumption in terms of monthly listeners. On a monthly basis, we have more than 57.6 million monthly listeners as of now. And this number is going to go up, and it's not stopping anytime soon. And according to my predictions and the kind of research that I've done, I'm pretty sure that time is not far when our monthly listeners are going to top the charts, and we're going to be on the number one position for the number of monthly listeners that are there out there in the world. Number one reason you need to start podcasting. I mean, just imagine there was this time when everyone would listen to just radio jockeys, and now there's this time when there's a complete new opportunity for you guys where your voice can become music to someone's ears, and they would want to listen to you. Why don't you want to start a podcast for that reason? Okay, the next reason that comes up is podcast production is way too cheap. So I mean, so many of you, I mean, you guys all know, right, that content is king right now, and everyone is producing content in some way or the other, be it for YouTube or Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn or whatsoever. So if we talk about video production or photography for that matter, they are expensive production. I mean, let's talk about the least of the least, the camera. A good DSLR camera costs about something, right? And some of you might not have that kind of budget available, or you don't want to spend that much money. That is not true with podcasting. Podcasting is dirt cheap. It can legit start for free. All you need is your phone. That's it. Like on the very basics, on the free front, when I talk about, all you need is your phone and your voice, and you're good to go. And even many platforms allow you to host your podcast for free. So you don't really have to worry about the production cost. You can start your podcasting now and don't worry about it. So video production is expensive, podcasting is not. Third reason, podcasting is a passive form of content consumption. Now, what do I really mean by that? So, I mean, when you guys want to watch a video, or you're watching a film or YouTube or anything for that matter, or you're watching a reel on Instagram, or you're reading a book or watching news, all these are active form of content consumption. You have to be present into that moment. You cannot take your eyes off. If you go off, you miss on something. You probably want to come back, rewind it, see it again, and all of those things for that matter. That is not true with podcasting. You can consume the audio content passively. You can be doing your home chores, you can be doing driving, you could be working out, you could be dancing, you could be sipping your morning tea on a Sunday morning, right? and you could be listening to a podcast. So podcast is completely passive. You don't have to actively engage yourself. You could be doing some other important task, yet be as much productive as you want and consume some good content. You could probably listen to some business podcast, or some story-based podcast, or someone who's narrating a book on a podcast, and still gain some knowledge. You'll be doubly productive. Isn't that great? I mean, very honestly, I listen to podcasts while driving, and it adds to my time. Sometimes I travel for 2 hours at length, and believe me, I make those hours hell lot productive. Okay, now the fourth point being, podcast is taking over radios. I mean, in India, guys, you know it for a fact that there has always been a time when you wake up, right, or when you walk into a house, there's always radio playing at the background, right? Your mom, your dad, your grandparents, they would be listening to something or the other on the radio. It could be those 90s ke song, it could be Lata Mangeshkar, or it could be all those legendary singers out there, or the radio jockey, or the shero shairi that's coming out, right? You know that everything of that sort of how things happens on radio, and everyone loves to listen to them. But as we move ahead in time, podcasts are taking over it. Now radios themselves are starting to stream podcasts because people want to listen to audio content on demand. So that is happening, and and what also one more thing that is important is, radio content is a live gig, whereas podcast is uh, curated content which is recorded and then presented to audience. Plus, consumers can decide what they want to listen, when they want to listen, at what speed they want to listen. All such things do not happen on the radio, unfortunately. So that is a major reason podcasts are taking over radio, and radio themselves are streaming podcasts. Another more reason you need to start podcasting right now in 2021. Fifth reason. Number fifth reason is storytelling in India. So guys, storytelling is in our bloods. I mean, what am I doing right now? I'm also narrating a kind of a story about podcasting, you may say that, right? And you would have grown up listening to stories. You know, India, we're all about stories. Bollywood is all about stories. Tollywood is all about stories, right? And you grew up listening to your grandmom stories. Again, grandparents tell you stories of something, right? Stories are in our blood. We go out for gossips. What's that? That's a story. And podcasting gives you a medium to express those stories. So, and it is such a cheap medium. By cheap, I mean not expensive, right? It's so easy to start a podcast, and you can bring out your stories out for other people to listen to, because you don't know who might be relating to you. So let's say you're an XYZ person and you already have an amazing guild, a guild, a lot of people, a community of people that are following you. They trust you for a reason, and you start voicing it out and people listen to you more, they'll get hooked up to you if you have that in you. And you can do that now very easily using the power of podcasting. You can narrate your stories, you can pick up the niche, and whatever niche you want to do, you can bring all those stories out. Even fictional stories do very well in podcasting. So you need to start using that power of storytelling. I mean, everyone, you look at the tourists who come to India to visit those ancient cities to know about the stories. We're all about stories. Go to tier 3, tier 4 cities, they're all about stories. We're just all about stories in India. Use this medium of podcasting to bring out your story, to narrate the stories, to speak your heart out. Okay. Next point is loyal audience. So basically, you know that we as Indians, we run on emotions a lot. And once we connect to someone, we want to stay connected to them. I mean, you know that, how the normal love, romance in our life really happens. Like we feel emotionally, we connect to someone, and we feel like many times that, this connection should last forever. So basically what really happens is when you become a podcaster and people start connecting with you, they become loyal to you. They become, they start trusting you. They follow you for everything that you say. And the sole reason that this happens is because they feel they are sitting down with you while you're talking. So I mean, you build a very, very loyal audience, and this audience is not just sitting besides you. This could be someone sitting, probably in Kashmir, or in Kanyakumari, or somewhere in, Sikkim, or probably Rajasthan, north, south, east, west. Everything gets covered, and these people start following you for what you speak, and they listen to you. Once you start building your own community, and you already know the power of community today. No matter whatever kind of medium you're using, Instagram, Facebook, and everything, all those numbers, all those followers, all those subscribers, who are they? That's your community. So once you start podcasting and your content is so good that people start connecting to it, believe me, you're building a loyal audience for yourself. An audience that trusts you blindly. Yes, because that trust is very strong. Okay, so next point is convergence of content. Okay, so what happens is in the Indian media entertainment industry, the content gets converged on a lot of platforms. So you would see similar content on TVs, blogs, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and all other. I mean, all of the internet you would find similar kind of content. You probably will see some ad, right? And then you'll end up seeing that ad on TV. You'll end up seeing that ad on every other platform you're using. That's the way it's working right now. But with podcast, it's completely different. It's a fresh wave of content out there. It's new, it's different. You can decide what you want to listen or what you want people to listen, and it's soothing. The next reason that comes up is the podcasting market in India is still untapped. So when I talk about India podcasting and 2021, it is a very true and blunt fact that we have come a very long way wherein people have started to recognize podcasts as a new content medium, but still the market is untapped. There are lots and lots of more people that still need to find out about podcasting. They need to be made aware about podcasting. So the market is really in the nascent stage. Podcasting is currently taking its baby steps right now. So what you need to do is you need to step right into it, take the first mover advantage, and start moving ahead. Become consistent. Start posting content. Become a super damn good podcaster and leave your mark out there. Build your community, and believe me, you do that, you start creating a lot of support content for yourself as well. You'll post content on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, all those platforms, and eventually you'll build your own community. So start tapping this, I would say untapped market as of now. Make the first move. Okay, one of the major and core reasons you need to start podcasting is because podcasting is a very non-intrusive and personal medium of presenting content to the consumers. I'll tell you why. I mean, a few minutes back I talked about, podcasting being a very intimate medium and start building the trust and you speak to in person. So, I mean, this is the whole reason. You build that community because you are speaking in someone's ears. Someone is giving you that time of their day to listen to you. I mean, just understand it like this. You, if someone looks at a Facebook feed or an Instagram feed or any such feed for that matter, they're looking at it for a few seconds. I mean, a reel lasts for 60 seconds or max. A YouTube video could last for a lot of minutes, okay? But when you talk about the attention span, as per studies, the attention span for every consumer has gone down very considerably, probably around 2-3 seconds. But if someone gets hooked to you on your podcast, they're gonna stick around for 5 to 10 minutes. Imagine they are giving that much amount of time to listen to you. And once they're listening to you, they actually feel that they're sitting beside you, and they start building their trust. So what really is happening is you are spending time with them and building trust, and this trust is very intimate. This trust is very strong than the trust you might spend and you might try to create on other social media platforms. It's going to take a lot of time out there in comparison to what time it will take on podcast. I mean, one episode on podcast can, if there was something to quantify trust, it will get you much more exponential higher value of trust than any other medium out there would. So yes. So I guess, guys, these are the major points which I strongly believe stands as the very core, strong, and so strong reasons that you need to start podcasting in 2021, especially in India. Now, before you wrap up this video, first thing first, right? I want you to click that subscribe button down there, the like button somewhere down, because I know that you like this video. Okay, so click that like button, click that subscribe button. Do comment your thoughts and views. I would love to know what you think about this and what are your thoughts about podcasting in India 2021. I would love to know that, and I'll definitely interact back. So do that first, and now I'll give you that bonus tip that I was talking about, something that I've learned from my experience, right? Okay, so from my experience into podcasting and creating the Balls of Steel show for the past 1 year, running it and everything doing around it, The thing that I have learned is I strongly follow two C's. Now, what are these two C's? Consistency and curation of content. You need to be damn consistent in your content. You need to publish that content regularly. You need to put yourself out there. You need to push the content out, so that the more you push out, the more people will know you, the more you'll be explored, the more will people understand that you are there, present, doing something in specific niche, and the more you will be looked up as an industry expert. Do that. Be consistent. Curate your content. You need to find the right content, curate it, research it, and then put it out. These two things is something that I really believe are very important when you start podcasting. Okay, so I'm sure that you're gonna do all of this, and if you've got any doubts, do put them in the comment section below. And that's it for this video, and I hope that I was able to provide some insight to you guys. And before I sign off from this video, do go out and check out the Balls of Steel Show. That's the name of the podcast. You can also check out ballsofsteelshow.com. That's the name of the website. All the stories are out there, and all the links could be found in the description box below. You can check out my photography page at svclicks_official, and I'll leave all the links down below. And do connect with me, and if there's anything I can help you out with, do drop me a comment in the comment section. Looking forward to seeing you again. Till then, happy podcasting. See ya.